how to reply to YouTube comments on Android Studio app guide. So hello everyone, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to YT Studio app in our Android phone, or you guys can use iPhone. So simply click on YT Studio. Once we click here you guys can see on top bell icon with plus option. So simply click on that bell icon. Now here you guys will see you have new subscribers. In some phones you guys will see comments here, but if you didn't see any comments here, simply go to content. Now you guys will simply select the video that have comments. So I will simply go to the video that have comments. For example, that video has comment. So how I can reply to that comment? Here you guys can see in comment section on downside heart option, chat type option, like and dislike option. So for replying, simply click on that chat option, and once we click on that, here you guys can see reply. So you guys simply write whatever you want to write in comment as a reply, and after that click on that red arrow. Once we click on that red arrow, that's it, we will add reply to that comment. So that's how you guys can do that.